A crazy thing happened to me today on my way to the office. I was running late, as usual, and my cab had already arrived. I got in the cab, and 10 minutes later into the ride, we started small talk. The cab driver asked where I worked, what I did. He seemed decent in the way he was talking, so I answered all of his questions. Continuing our conversation, he said, "You know what, ma'am? I am a B.Tech student, and I graduated 2 years ago." In response, I asked him why he drove a cab then. He said he couldn't find a job. I was curious to know more, so I asked, "How much do you earn by doing this?" And he said, "Enough to put food on the table for my family." It is a tiring job, you see. I don't even get to have a proper meal with my family. And on days when I drive at night, I don't even get to see them. And this hit me hard. I was sad to see that all his efforts of 4 years into college went in vain. The drive ended, we parted ways, but his story stuck. I kept thinking about it the entire day and it bothered me. So I did some research, and the things that I found out shocked me. I came across one article that said 55 lakh applicants who have B.Tech, MBA or master's degree were applying for Group D positions like peon, watchman, gardener and many more in Uttar Pradesh. Another article by India Today said over 80% of engineers in India are unemployable as they lack the technological skills required by the employers now. One more article by the Economic Times mentioned that only 45% of Indian graduates who apply for jobs are employable with the readiness to meet the industry's fast-changing demands. I found out more such articles, and all these emerging articles have given me a reality check. I was terrified to see the numbers, and it made me question what went wrong. To my surprise, I found out the answers were right there in front of me within the articles. And guess what? It was just a one-word answer for all: skills. It often happens that we as humans tend to get comfortable with the conventional ways of our lives. Similarly, with education, we follow all the conventional ways of learning and end up creating our own bubble. The ones who cave to it are the students. In this bubble, the students get confident that whatever they have learned is enough to get a job. They don't even realize the skill gap they may have. And that, my friend, is the big problem. But what is the reality? Look at this recent article by the Hindustan Times. This is the reality. India has 5 million software developers. Yet, TCS is struggling to fill 80,000 open positions, and that's just because of the skill gap. And now, what is this skill gap? Everybody is talking about skill to learn Gen Z language. No. Industry demands are changing, and with it, one needs to have the adequate technical skills required to grow the industry. In my next video, I'll explain in detail about those in-demand skills. In this series, we shall also share what top tech companies like Google, Microsoft are looking for. We shall also cover what are the skills service-based companies like TCS and Infosys are looking for in a candidate. That's all for today, guys. Hope you give lots of love to this new series. Hit like if you liked our content and don't forget to subscribe if you still haven't. See you in our next video. Bye.